green. They are nothing but a natural machine, moving by springs like a clock on the shelf, without a rational soul or a sense of the self. There is nothing entirely in our power, I find, except for our thoughts within the mind. Illusory joy is often worth more to give than a genuine sorrow that cuts too deep. One cannot